Hello, kids! Welcome to our English class. This is Teacher Jaire, an English teacher from the Honor Tutorial Center. Now, are you ready to learn English? That's good to hear. So grab your notebook and your pen and let's start learning with me. So for today, we are going to talk about the other types of pronoun. But before we discuss about the different types of it, let us define again what is the meaning of pronoun. Can you still remember the meaning of pronoun? Okay, very good. So when we say pronoun, so this is another parts of speech, a word used in place of one or more than one noun. So it may stand for a person, place, thing, or an idea. So there are more types of pronoun. So now let us study each of them. So for the first one, we have here what we call the indefinite pronoun. So from the word itself, indefinite, so these are the pronouns that do not name the words they replace. So indefinite pronoun doesn't have a specific or familiar referent, meaning it don't specifically identify what they are referring to. What are the examples of indefinite pronouns? We have here everyone, other, everything, each, anybody, nothing, somebody, something, no one, none, and so on. So now, let's try to use this into sentence. Anybody can see that the lamp is broken. So the indefinite pronoun in the sentence is anybody. And as you can see, it doesn't have a specific referent. Second one, no one was home, so we left a note. So the indefinite pronoun in the second sentence is no one. And last one, somebody should pick up the dog's toys. So the indefinite pronoun in the sentence is somebody. And as you can see also, it don't specifically identify what they are referring to. So this is the indefinite pronoun. Alright, so now let's move on to the second kind of pronoun. We have here what we call the demonstrative pronouns. From the word itself, demonstrative, demonstrate, so these are the pronouns that point out a noun without naming it. So a demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to point to a specific people or things. For example, these, that, and those. So these words are also used to highlight some previously mentioned person or thing. So now, let's try to use this into sentences. That is a terrific idea. So the demonstrative pronoun in the sentence is that, and it is referring to a noun without naming it. Another example, these are the best ones. So the demonstrative pronoun in the sentence is the word these. But take note, when you are using the demonstrative pronoun, you need to identify also if it is singular or plural. So if you are referring to something that is singular, you can use these and that. But if it is singular, you need to use these and those, just like in this example. So since that is singular, you need to use singular verb. And these are plural, you need to use are as your plural verb. Do you get it? Okay, so now let's move on to the last type of pronoun. You have here what we call the interrogative pronouns. Sound familiar? Yes, just like in interrogative sentences. So these are the pronouns used in asking questions. So what are the examples? So usually the words that starts with W and H. Who, whose, whom, which, and what. Remember, the words who, whose, and whom refer only to people. And the interrogative pronouns which and that refer to the things, objects, and could also be to people. Let's try to use this into sentences. Number one, what was that noise? So here, the interrogative pronoun is what, and it is referring to a thing or an object. Next, second one, Who will be introducing the speaker? So the interrogative pronoun here is who. So it is used to replace a person or a people. Next, with whom are you talking to? So same goes with the second sentence. Whom refers only to people. And last one is which is your house. So the word here which is the interrogative pronoun, refers to an object or a thing. Do you understand? Okay, very good. And those are the other types of pronoun. So before we proceed with this activity, let's just have first a quick review. So we have three other types of pronoun. The first one is the Okay, very good. The indefinite pronoun. And when we say indefinite pronouns, those are the nouns that don't specifically identify what they are referring to. The second one is Okay, very good. The demonstrative pronoun. It is the pronoun used to point to specific people or things. And last one is Good job! Interrogative pronouns. So these are the pronouns used in asking questions. So now I think you are ready to answer this activity. Identify pronoun types. Identify if the underlined words is an indefinite, demonstrative, or interrogative pronoun. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Number 1. What was the noise? So the underlined pronoun here is the word what. What type of pronoun is what? Is it demonstrative, interrogative, or indefinite pronoun? Okay, very good. This is an interrogative pronoun. Second one, no one volunteered a response. So the underlined word here is no one. And what type of pronoun is this? Okay, this is an indefinite pronoun. Next, number 3. Didn't anybody hear that crashing sound? She asked again. So in this example, the underlined pronoun is anybody. And what type of pronoun is this? Very good. This is also an indefinite pronoun. Next, number 4. That was a pretty loud noise, she continued. So the underlined pronoun here is that. And what type of pronoun is this? Okay, good job. This is a demonstrative pronoun. Very good. Next, let's proceed to number 5. Who broke my flower vase? She demanded. So the underlined pronoun here is the word who. What type of pronoun is this? Okay, so since it is a question, this is an interrogative pronoun. And last one, but nobody was even in the room except a guilty looking cat. So the underlined here is the word nobody. And what type of pronoun is nobody? Good job! This is an indefinite pronoun. Very good. Okay, so what is your score? Can you share it to me? Wow, good job. And that ends our discussion for today about pronouns and the other types of pronouns. I hope that you learned something in today's discussion. So again, this is Teacher Jaira from the Honor Tutorial Center. That's all. Goodbye and see you on our next video.